Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to set up WooCommerce for WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page where in the left side screen, and you can take a look at all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started setting up WooCommerce. It's very easy. It's going to take us a couple of clicks. What we're looking for is right here the left side screen. You want to open up the plugins option. So once you have clicked on plugins right here guys, it's going to open up this plugins marketplace where we can go and take a look at all the plugins we can get started with using for our website. And at the top of the screen is going to be a search option that we can use guys for searching for WooCommerce. So go ahead and search for WooCommerce. After doing so, it's going to go ahead and give us this result right here, which is the main plugin we are using. So click on the WooCommerce application, and after opening it up guys, it's going to look like this. So basically, to use the plugins you need a premium plan. I'm currently on a free plan, so I cannot use them, but if you have your premium plan, you can just go ahead and click the install button. That's going to appear right here, and once you have clicked on the install button, it's going to enable you to successfully add it to your WordPress website and easily access it and set it up however you like, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.